Okay, it's River Retro Eli. Some of you call me Eli. I'm voicing over this because the audio was trash throughout the video, and some parts because the wind messed it up. Today in this video, I'm basically taking apart the exhaust in different ways to figure out and see what kind of sounds I can get out of it. But yeah, here's the aftermath of that. Hopefully I didn't break the car, but you know, it's good. You gotta have fun with it, see what you can find. Yeah, I just want to see what my car could sound like. Here we go. The muffler right here, but as you can see, there's no muffler. Muffler's actually down there, and the bolts right here are after the muffler, so if I remove these, it's not gonna really sound that much different. But I looked at the muffler over here, and as you can see, as you can see, there's no bolts on the muffler, which usually there is. There's no bolts there, no bolts there, because it's all welded, and no bolts there. Right there, that little connection, there's a bolt. So I figured I would just lock the e-brake, jack it up, unbolt it, and let's see how it sounds. Before that though, I'm gonna insert a clip here of the Okay, now that the plane's done being an asshole, I'm gonna unbolt that and see what the car sounds like. But yeah, I'm gonna insert a clip of Wanda sounding how she does normally. But yeah, here. Number one of jacking up a car. If you're jacking up the front of the car, make sure that the e-brake is on, okay? Because the e-brake supplies brake to the rear wheels, locks them up, they will not move. When you jack the front up, the front tires are off the ground, so it's all in the back. If the e-brake's on, the car's not gonna move, she'll be fine. But if the e-brake is off, your shit's gonna go fucking rolling, so catch your shit, bitch. Got the jack under here, pretty sturdy. Oh, you got a jack stand on the other side just in case, just a safety measure. But yeah, you can see the bolts right here. This is right under the motor. Yeah, sorry the car's dirty. Need some dirt stuff. I'm not gonna talk about that, but yeah, we're gonna unbolt that and see how she sounds. And if you know what this is from, these little scratches on the bottom of the car, we don't talk about that. Another thing I would always do, the car is jacked up. Before you get under the car, move it, push and weight on it, make sure that it's secure, because if it drops right under there, oof, like you're dead. So seems secure, so let's go. It's held on by some bolts, 3 to be exact, and then 1 on top. With the wrench on there, oh my god, the jack just made a noise. Okay. As you can see, with the wrench on there, it's on there, but that's all my strength. I cannot get it to move. It will not come loose for the life of me. Alright. So, take something, put it over it, gain a little bit more leverage, and then try again. You see that? And you just keep going a little bit so you can get it to where like you can do it with like the regular wrench. And you should be able to just twist off. And just like that. So yeah, I look like trash. I just got up, I haven't showered, but it's the next day. and I had an idea. I'm gonna see what the car sounds like if I take the cannons off the back. So yeah, just figured we'll have 3 different sounds. See if we can get a better sound, because that first one I did not like. That sounded like that. The vibrations, it just sounded horrible. It sounded like a 4-cylinder, and it's a 6-cylinder. So take 2. Let's see if we can find something better. I got them off. They're in the back of the car now. They're just sitting right here. Get some cannons. Oh fuck, I might just clean these, but yeah, took them off. So back of the car is just completely exposed. There's my first exhaust and my second. So let's give it a go. But yeah, I'm gonna insert a clip here of what the car can actually sound like, and I have a friend that has one that sounds like it, so I put in this video of him launching. But yeah, I'm gonna put all of the sounds together at the end so you can hear all of them. Tell me which one you like. But yeah, here's what a car could sound like in the future once I get it done. Here's number 1 with both exhaust on. It sounds pretty well. I don't know. Then here's number 2 with only 1 exhaust pipe on. Then here's number 3 with both tips off. It kind of sounds pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty subtle. Then here's number 4 with me completely disabling it. Straight up. The reason for this video was I just got bored and wanted to see what the car sounded like, so yeah, tried all the ways. I'm not gonna lie, I like the stock method better with just the 2, and yeah, it's good. But yeah, see ya.